That phase quartz is all yours, Rivet and Clank. I wonder how Rivet's doing.
On Sargasso, you said you gave Ratchet the Dimensionator so that he could find the other Lombaxes. I never thought I'd meet one of us, much less find our home, if you can even call it that. Do you really think it would work?
No.
No? No! What happened here?
I am uncertain. Now that was exhilarating. The Blizon appears to have stored energy from the dimensional rifts.
Whoa. Another dimension. Is this your Blizar?
No, but we can find intact phase quartz here. We should seek out the miners.
This creature detected. Lockdown initiated.
Facility lockdown? Oh, that cannot be good.
Let's worry about the toxic crabs first! What was that?
Seismic activity, perhaps caused by the crumbling barriers between dimensions.
I was afraid you'd say that.
Safety lockdown engaged.
We need to reach the other side of that window to activate the lockdown release.
Another dimension. Sorry,
You
one
know
sec.
good merchandise when you see it.
Another dimensional thing?
Yes.
Haven't you punished me enough? You stupid universe! No job, no phase quartz, no planet. What else do you want, huh? My mind? Fine, take it!
If it helps, I just found out there's another dimension where Blizar's still intact,
Still intact. How do you... Of course! The Blizon! If the planet hasn't been destroyed yet.
Who was that? Do you know what she was talking about?
She must be a survivor of whatever happened here.
All right, we need another Blizon crystal.
That's located. Engaging.
Oh, come on!
Please stop shooting back.
I need to find...
Blizon is being affected by unstable rifts in the universe. Please do not panic and form a single file line at all food stalls. Thank you.
Aha! Got it!
Lockdown reset. Thank you and have a safe following.
points for less!
Most complete division. Stop.
Really?
You go. Don't take one. Need more backup, bro.
Just figured that out.
Incoming! These bros always travel in herds.
Honestly, kinda cute. Room goons might be elite, but
Please keep your hands and feet inside and avoid the insta-death lava bubbling all around you. Thank you, and have a pleasant Blizzard day.
thanks for the help, Bolts. Not really used to it.
We will need a way to mine the phase quartz. Perhaps the giant drill.
Let's find someone who can point us to it.
Ah, this is the mining hub. Perhaps someone here can direct us to the drill. The Chief Engineer's survey station should be nearby.
You are just full of fun facts, huh?
Indeed. For example, the average miner spends 72% of their life underground.
Whoa, really?
No, but I would hate to bore you by running out of trivia. These individuals appear as confused as we are.
Earthquakes, lockdowns, interdimensional rifts. Can't really blame them, but we need that drill. We should hurry. Whatever happened to Blizzard in my dimension, this one could be next.
Welcome to Blizzard. We are currently on lockdown in interdimensional chaos that is worsening by the
These individuals appear as confused as we are.
Earthquakes, lockdowns, interdimensional rifts. Can't really blame them. Bolts, focus.
Oh, sorry.
You looking for the chief engineer? Use that safety list to get to the...
Dimensional damage seems to be getting worse.
It's kind of pretty. In a deadly, terrifying way. There. That must be the chief engineer. Hello?
Do you hear that?
No.
Voices. Haven't been hearing them for too long. Wherever the purple is, they are too. First the quakes and the Blizon. Now this.
I don't hear anything. Except someone asking if you'll be drilling for phase quartz soon.
Not until I determine what's going on. For all we know, this whole drill site is haunted. That's why I sent my science bots out to scan the purple.
And?
I have to pick them up when I know it's safe.
Wait! I'll find the bots and bring them back here safe and sound.
These bots have intercepted a message from your dimension. Perhaps it is from that person we encountered.
Hopefully they can help us figure out what happened there and prevent it here. Let's go.
Testing comms. The bots would have followed the paths marked by the survey rods. I'm sure they're listening in on the purple.
The tremors are increasing in frequency and size.
There! One of my bots is up there! It's... Oh, sweet Bob.
Greetings. We are in the greatest of dangers. Follow. Be quick.
Okay.
Please come. Oh, goodness. Oh, no. The police on. Finally. A decent connection. I warned you about very dangerous.
That could describe almost anything on this planet.
Indeed. We should be cautious.
I am overheating. If only I could sweat. I must flee.
I'll ping her so she comes back to me. Looks like she picked up an audio file. I'll start cleaning it up. There's an old research lab.
Robots are out
I know
investigating that
Jim.
signal we found.
That's where he'd head first.
Don't give up yet. It'd be great if you did. Whoa, that was close. Behind the safety glass.
Stop and listen. He's damaged.
Identified. Non-hostile entity. Hello? Are you my new best friend?
No. We should head back to the chief engineer.
Friendship request denied. Sad noises. Returning to Chief Engineer.
Aww.
Stop fussing, Jim. Hopefully he picked up interdimensional messages and didn't get distracted trying to find friends.
Identified. Hostile entity. Hello. Are you my new best friend?
You see something over there? Unless that's not a drone! That's a wombat!
Zero, none, bros. I've lost count.
Are you always suspicious that anyone you meet works for Emperor Nefarious?
Pretty much everyone I meet does work for Emperor Nefarious.
Ah, a fair point.
Drill platforms. Well, defunct ones. 1,000,000% sure rifts opened over here. You'll definitely find the bots.
Okay, I see the bot over on that platform on the right, past the broken bridge.
There must be a way to reach it.
Oh! The crane moved the crystal!
This may bring us one step closer to reaching the bot.
safety record.
Engage confirming accent.
What are y'all doing here? Returning to Chief Engineer with an important message.
Aw, Sam was trying to find herself. One step closer to figuring out this message. That's all of them. Thanks. Come back to my survey station. Let's see what the little bots picked up from the other side.
Proximity warning. Hazardous life forms detected. Facility security lockdown engaged.
Don't worry. I designed the security system myself. Except that motion trackers are saying they're inside the house. The ceiling. I always forget to look up. What the heck is that thing?
Location unknown. Life form unknown. Protocol destroy.
A gift from my dimension to yours. Now I'm gonna reduce it to scrap metal.
Rebel.
How was I supposed to unlock the secrets of a shattered dimension? And these keep my mind.
Watching the agitator.
More? Wasn't in the manual?
I will crush you for your defiance.
Oh dear, we are alarmingly outnumbered here.
I am here to spread the Emperor's love with rockets.
Security walls disarmed. Thank you, and have a blazing Blizzard day.
Phew. Okay, minor setback. Gonna take a little longer to decode this message. But you guys can use the drill. Jim will take you there.
Hello, are you my new best friend?
Sure?
Happy noises. I will take you to our phase quartz extracting drill in the name of friendship.
Whoa! That can't be good!
That dimensional anomaly is identical to the one we saw on Sargasso.